Alright everyone, now let's implement data fetching and rendering students on the homepage. We already set up our JSON server and created a students array. Now we'll fetch this data and display it. We'll use the fetch API. So first, we create an async function and use a way to send a request to our backend on localhost 3005. Then we get the response, but the response is not directly usable. So we convert it to JSON using res.json. After that, we store the result in a variable. Now, since the data is an array, we can loop through it using map and render each student. Next, we set up the layout using Bootstrap. We use the grid system, so on mobile, it shows one column. On small screens, 2 columns. And on medium screens, 3 columns. We also add spacing between items using gap. Now inside the map, for each student, we create a card. We display the student's name, class, and GPA. Each item has a unique key using the student's ID. Now, let's add navigation. We create a button and use the link component from Next.js. The href is dynamic. So it becomes /student/ID. This allows us to navigate to each student's detail page. So when we click a student, we go to the correct dynamic route. So the overall logic is simple. Fetch the data, convert it to JSON, loop through it with map, render each item, and use dynamic routing for navigation.